gotta get in here. Excuse me. It's horrible, isn't it? Yeah. Fucking hell. God, it's a hard paddle, isn't it? Yeah. So we're at the first camp again. We didn't get far, did we? Drinking his soup. There's Owen, Snotty Nose Owen. That's his trail name, Snotty Nose.
Had a bath in the lake.
He's had a bath on the lake.
And it was fucking freezing.
And he's had a nosebleed. He's had bogies. Snot. We call him Nosebleed. Call him Snotty Nose. And we call me Stumpfinger. That's our trail name. The Blue Finger. So we've come to first camp again, and Gary and Owen's gone for a paddle. It's been a brilliant day, nice and sunny. Camp 1, and then we're going to go to the beginning again tomorrow, and then that'll be us wrapped up. And then what we're going to do, we're going to stay there the night, have a paddle around, get our gear sorted, and we are then going to go to airport and go back home from tomorrow. So it's been an awesome journey here. It's not finished yet. Obviously, excluding the mishap with the finger, the weather's been horrendous. Today's been the best day of all, and the company's been amazing. We've had good fun. We've always been laughing, so that's the main thing. We've always had a good laugh here at the camps, and they're cool little camps. I mean, they've got these that's what it looks like from a distance. Not sure if you're picking that up. And yeah, but I've got to a point now, I'm like getting quite tired. I want to get all my stuff sorted eventually, and get myself home and do some admin on all my gear before the next trip. So guys, I'll check in tomorrow. That was a nasty one, you see it? Fucking hell! Wow, that was only a few miles away. Did you see lightning again? Where was it? What was it? We need to make ourselves safe, get out of these metal boats full of water and tin. We are in the worst place you can possibly be. We are, aren't we? Fucking lightning strikes. If we survive it. So we can get in a tan.
That's the one.
That's the one. Open that pottle and show people what you got. You raided the nest, didn't you? Open that pot there.
Stick.
Owen climbed up a tree. Hang on, one sec.
We're in a technical difficulty.
Went up and raided the nest and look what we found. And we even got the little lion stamp on it. Well done, Owen.
Okay.
Look at that. Heading back this morning to the first camp. We're going to get some food. And we're off. This is the start, and we've just been cleaning bits and bobs. How are you feeling, Owen? How you winning? How did you find that last paddle that hurt, Gary? Knackered. It was horrendous, that was, wasn't it? Against the wind. Doesn't look like it, but it's bloody tides out there. Let's have a little tour around the place. We've got the canoes. All these canoes. Would they know if we took one? One of them ones. How long do you think they'll take for them to figure it out? One's missing.
Until the last booking came in.
Wouldn't do that. Look at these ones. Is that some plywood canoes over there? Let's have a look at these ones over here. That's a huge green one, isn't it? They're not plywoods, are they? It's just the shapes, isn't it? No, they're still aluminiums. Just looking at this blue one, is that... Yeah, it's a wooden one. Wooden canoe. Look at that stripped canoe. Is it cedar strip or... Might be. Decent. Size of this one. God, you need like 7-8 people to paddle that. Paddle boards. Car barrels. This is the place, Canoe. come here if you want to hire canoes.
There's all there.
Yeah. Map of things done.
Loads further up. That's a different lake, innit?
Yeah.
That's the island then,
Sun's in this way. We decided to go for a little tour around the canoe place just to see what they had there. Like these little chickens here, I was mesmerized by them. Afterwards we went to the town of Ed and we had a big dinner for ourselves, so we treated ourselves as Owen with his pizza. They put fries on the pizza, which was quite funny, and there's Gary, he seemed to enjoy it anyways. That comes to the end of this journey, so goodbye Sweden and thank you very much. We will definitely be back. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on the next one.